Welcome to our comparison of two innovative washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today, we will be looking at the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine and the portable mini folding washer. Each of these machines offers unique features that cater to different laundry needs, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and even camping trips. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to washing capacity, the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine boasts an impressive capacity of 22 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads, while the portable mini folding washer offers a capacity of 16 pounds, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference in capacity can significantly affect how much laundry you can do at once, especially in a busy household or during travel. Price is always a key consideration when choosing a washing machine. The portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine is priced at $149, reflecting its larger capacity and dual motor system. In contrast, the portable mini folding washer is much more budget-friendly at $69. This makes it a great option for those looking for a cost-effective solution without sacrificing essential features. Both machines are designed with portability in mind, but they approach it differently. The portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine is semi-automatic, which means it requires some manual intervention but offers more control over the washing process. On the other hand, the portable mini folding washer features a foldable design, making it extremely easy to store and transport, perfect for those who are always on the go. In conclusion, both the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine and the portable mini folding washer have their unique strengths. The choice ultimately depends on your specific laundry needs, whether you prioritize capacity, price, or portability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.